Right there is pretty much what you're going to need to do a basic oil change on the 2017 FE350. You're going to have probably about $34, $35 in all this. So yeah, be prepared to spend a couple bucks, about like a oil change for a vehicle. You guys do it a whole lot more often on these. So first step, you got to remove these two screws to get this cover off. Remove the drain plug that's right there, and then we'll remove this one and the screen out of it. And once we're done with that, then we can pull the filter out and replace all that with some new stuff and the O-ring. So let's get to it. It's gonna be an 8mm. Once you get those screws removed, it kind of drops down and it just hangs on the back right there. As you can see, it just pops right off. So just get that out of the way. I'll stick these up here so my little man don't take off with them. Do not mess with that around now. Don't forget the brass washer and then the magnetic tip on that bolt. We got to clean all that off too. So that's all this gets drained out. Figuring out how to way to get this out, so I ended up going to these. I don't know if most of y'all are going to have these, but made it a whole lot easier for me. Just stick it in there and pull that straight out. Yep. It's pretty natural. Forget to get the screen out right here. There we go. Got it right on the lip of it and kind of just tilted it a little bit. You gotta clean this screen off and everything too, and put it back in there. You can actually see some little metal flakes or aluminum flakes and all that. So, yep, get this cleaned up, get it all back together, and put the fresh oil in it. You know, they say you got a lot of specialty oils and all that you can use to clean these off with, but brake cleaner works just as good. Thank you. Very ranch. Make sure you line that back up.
Boom.
and let it clip in, because you don't want to smash it and then it not work right. So that would not be good. This is going to end up being a 1/2 inch. We're tightening this up, so. Get the exact torque wrench out here, and I'll torque all this up here in just a minute and get it all right. And this is going to be an 8mm knot. I'll get the torque fix for that here in a little bit too. Alright, got all the plugs and everything back on. I'm going to throw the cover back on. Oh, there's that. If I didn't tell you, the main drain plug right here, this one, is going to end up being a 13mm. And use a box wrench on that. Ratchet wrench won't fit, so. Yep, that should help too. Let's get this cover back on and put some oil in it. So that snaps on. Take these. Clean some of this oil residue off everything. Stay in the flower bed? No? Alright. Oh, no, I need those first. I need that one too. Need to back up. Alright, pretty much it requires 1.1 quarts to fill this up. And you go figure, this is 1.5 quarts of 10W50 at $23 a quart. So you gotta buy another quart for 0.5 liters. But I mean, if you're planning on doing more multiple oil changes, it only makes sense to go ahead and buy a few of these. So I went ahead and bought a few of them. But yep, we're gonna get this cap off here. And you can see it in the sight glass right here, so that lets you know you got the proper amount of oil in it. Hope y'all enjoyed the video, and stick around. We're gonna have a few more coming up. Throw in a few riding clips in this video just so it's not too boring. But yeah, this is a basic oil change for the 2017 FE350.